You open a brand new pair of shoes. Everything feels fresh and perfect. Then something small catches your eye, a tiny packet. You pick it up and read it. Do not eat. And suddenly it feels important, maybe even dangerous. Most people assume it is toxic, but here's the twist. It is not poison at all. It is made from sand. So if it is not dangerous, what exactly is silica gel? And why does something so ordinary come with a warning that makes it seem so serious? Silica gel is made from silicon dioxide, the same basic material found in sand, but processed in a special way so it becomes highly porous, meaning it is full of tiny holes you cannot see. And those tiny holes do something important. They trap moisture from the air, not absorb like a sponge, but adsorb, meaning water sticks to its surface. Think of it like this. Imagine millions of microscopic parking spots, and each water molecule is a car looking for somewhere to park. Silica gel is basically a giant, invisible parking lot for moisture. Because of this, silica gel is known as a desiccant. That just means it removes moisture from its surroundings. And moisture can cause more problems than you might think. It can damage electronics. It can make shoes smell bad. It can cause food to spoil faster. It can even lead to rust and mold. That tiny packet is there to prevent all of that. You will find silica gel in shoe boxes, electronics packaging, food containers, and medicine bottles. Anywhere moisture could cause damage, silica gel is quietly working in the background. But now this raises another question. If silica gel is not toxic, then why does it say, "Do not eat" so clearly? Why such a strong warning for something that is basically just processed sand? The warning is not really about poison. It is about safety. First, those packets are small and easy to swallow. That makes them a choking hazard, especially for children and pets. Second, some silica gel packets contain indicator chemicals. These chemicals change color to show when the gel has absorbed moisture. While the silica itself is not harmful, those added chemicals are not meant to be eaten. And third, it is simply not food. Even if something is not toxic, it does not mean it belongs in your body. So companies use strong warnings to prevent accidents and avoid confusion. Here's something surprising. If someone accidentally swallows a few silica gel beads, it usually does not cause harm. The body does not digest it. It simply passes through. Still, it is not something you should intentionally eat. Here's something most people never realize. Silica gel is reusable. Once it has absorbed too much moisture, it stops working effectively. But you can actually restore it. If you heat it gently, for example, in an oven or microwave at a low temperature, trapped moisture is released. And just like that, it works again. You can keep those little packets and use them in your daily life. Place them near electronics to protect against humidity. Store them with tools to prevent rust. Keep them with important documents or use them when storing seeds. That tiny packet you almost threw away can actually be surprisingly useful. If you enjoy discovering the truth behind everyday things like this video, please consider subscribing and sharing with your friend who always complains about rusted tools or mold. Thank you for watching.